What is happening, guys? Rush SRT here, and as you can see, I'm about to take the boys on a little canyon cruise. So we're heading over to Santiago Canyon. I don't think they have been there before. I have, but not on this car, so it'll be the first time I'm in this car. We're gonna get a few rolling shots, and here's one of the boys. And we got another one behind me. I don't know if you guys can see him. We have the no pulp orange SRT8 cruising along with us today. We just finished up the toy tires and Super Street car meet. Get a little action for you guys. Trying to go?
Already?
Sure. Okay, let's do it at 30? 30? Yes. Hold up.
That 8-speed kicked in.
Yeah.
I still got you though.
No, you didn't.
Fuck yeah!
You went before the honk. We didn't even honk.
Hey, literally I waited until I heard you accelerate and I went. I heard you accelerate, that's when I went.
So that Challenger in front of me, guys, the orange Challenger, is a 2014. So it has the 6-speed transmission, and the newer ones we have the 8-speed. So as you can see there, when we do like a roll race, how the 8-speed transmission definitely you know, gets the car moving, especially at, you know, maybe initially he can pass me up a little bit, but after that, as soon as I, you know, catch a little, that's some highway patrol right there. After I catch some ground, I get moving, and you can see there I just pull off, and then he's playing the catch-up game. But the race wasn't super accurate because we didn't have a set speed and we didn't have any honking or anything like that to signal the start of it. But I think I can have him, unless it's from a dig, then he's probably going to get me because he has a 295s. So his traction is a little better than mine, actually. I'm spinning a little bit. And the car behind me, which is the black Scatpack, he's got 245s, so he's spinning the most. As you saw there when we did the run from a stoplight, I was able to pull off and leave him behind. So it's all really like a traction game with these cars, just getting the power down. Whoever can do that best will most likely win these races. Alrighty, guys, so we got to the part we need to get to. Here's our canyon. Waiting on some traffic here. I'm waiting on the last member of the crew. I'm gonna go into the SRT pages, put it in track. We're gonna keep the traction control on for safety measures. He actually feels really good on the turns, guys. That suspension is working wonders right now. on the very angled turns, let's say, you definitely feel the weight. You know, the car just does not want to turn. But other than that, actually, it's a lot of fun. You know, like people think that just because it's a Challenger, it's really heavy. But honestly, with these adaptable suspension, guys, it does actually feel really nice. It feels a lot of fun. Definitely there's a lot of power, so you can just really gun it out of the corners, but you just have to be careful when you're in the corner, not to downshift and kind of disturb the balance of the car, because these things are heavy, so you know, you could risk losing control of the car. But I think with a little wider tires and maybe lower suspension, this thing would handle even better than that. But I'm actually impressed for the weight. It's a lot of fun. You know, it's definitely, we're going pretty quick, as you guys can see my speedometer here. I'm going 50, 70 around these turns, and it's doing really well. I didn't feel like I was about to lose control at any given point, so that's always a big plus. Obviously it doesn't handle like my Mercedes does, with that 4MATIC suspension around here, but not suspension, it's 4MATIC drivetrain, but you know, it's quite a bit of fun. Slow down here so I don't kick up any rocks on anybody. You've got to be in the lower gear for it. And see, on these turns is where you really feel the weight. Got a little tire spin there. Big boy. And that's pretty much it for this canyon run. Definitely a whole lot of fun. Let's see if the boys enjoyed it as much as I did. Did you have fun?
The car to me wasn't driving like a bitch.
Like, what?
Did I drive before?
Yeah.
Why?
I'm actually I was like, what the hell? This is cool. Like, I like it. It's different from Santa Monica. The Santa Monica's like hella tight turns, bro.
So was Malibu.
That's why I go to too as well.
Yeah, this was cool. I just wish he stepped on it a little bit.
I know,
more.
that's why.
At times I was like, I want to go in front of him.
Yeah, to be honest.
You could have told me. You could have called me.
The thing is, there's oncoming traffic.
There's oncoming traffic.
No, I would have moved over for you.
Private tennis courts here? What the fuck?
Really, if anything, turn off your car.
I guess so.
He's the only one that will turn off your car.
Gosh, why is he wasting gas for?
Low-key, I do need gas, dude.
Yeah, I
have a quarter tank.
What's up?
Join the crew, man. Come on.
Hey, I know that guy.
Oh, it's a nice. I actually like that spec a lot.
Nice car, man. How's it going?
Are you guys all 392s?
Sorry?
Are you guys all 392s?
Yeah.
I can't hang. I'm just the RT, man.
No, you're good, bro. That's an RT 392.
Nice.
You got a Hemi in there, right? 5.7?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what's up. Yeah, we just did a little canyon run down there, Santiago.
Nice, man.
So we pulled off over here. But yeah.
Have you guys modded your exhausts at all?
Yeah, we're all actually modded. I have a mid-muffler lead on mine. He has a Dynamax.
Okay.
What is it?
A Dynamax Mini Bullet. It's basically like the same muffler Challengers have, but just half of it, pretty
So
much.
I deleted my mid mufflers too.
How does it sound?
Because it sounded terrible. Like, stop.
Too quiet, right?
Very quiet.
Yeah. For
So how do you like the mini bullets?
Well, I mean, for like $50, it's not bad of a mod. You mean you're not losing horsepower, but at the same time, it's like you're not gaining it. It makes it louder. I'm not gonna lie, it made my Scatpack a lot louder.
Yeah.
But I said it was a good cheap mod to do. I mean, next time, my next setup is probably I'm gonna get his Borla attacks of anything, which is a big.
Yeah, that's awesome.
The Borla sound really good.
Yeah, it's like $1,400.
Yeah, 1,400-1,600.
But for mine, I just did the mid-muffler delete, and because the exhaust that comes on the 392 is really good.
Yeah.
Like my muffler guy was all like, you don't need to add anything to it.
Right.
You know, he didn't recommend doing anything else, but so I don't think I'm gonna do anything else that way. But yeah, just an intake.
Yeah,
See, check out his channel, dude.
Huh? man.
Rush, check out his YouTube channel, man.
What is it?
It's Rush SRT. That's why I have this stupid contraption on my head.
Oh, nice, man. Very cool.
If you're wondering why I'm doing this, but
yeah.
I'm a YouTuber. But yeah, Rush SRT. Take a look at it, man.
Very cool.
All right, cool. It's good talking to you. Take care.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
All the way, there you go, man.